on the housetop, a reindeer paws.
This is Up on the Housetop in the key of G. It's a simple way to chord along to this fun Christmas carol. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video, click on the description below, and you will find the link to the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you, and it'll make a lot more sense as we go through it. Okay, so this one I've stripped it down to just G, C, and D. So that's it. So let's go through those three chords. We look for a group of 3 black notes, and the G is tucked between those. Line up your 5 fingers and play every other note. G, C, D is a G chord. Okay? All right, move up here to the C position. You look for the group of 2 black notes. The C is to the left of those. Play C, E, G. That's a C chord. And then move up 1 position and then pick up this black note in the middle, and it's D, F sharp, A. That's a D chord, and it makes this triangle shape. Okay? All right, so review those 3 chords. We just have G, C, D. All right, perfect. Let's go through the left hand. We're going to just play single notes down here. So I would just put pinky on G, line up your 5 fingers, and don't move your hand the whole song. So we're just going to play G chord to G in the bass, C to C, and D triangle to D single note in the bass. That's it. All right, so let's talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the 2 hands together. I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can hear it first, and then we'll break down the rhythm part of the song. All right? Up on the housetop, a reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. All right, so the rhythm that we're doing is called 1-to-2 ratio. It fits beautifully with songs with 4/4 time signature. So you're just doing this rhythm together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Up on the housetop, a reindeer paws. Okay, move to the C. Out jumps good old D chord is that triangle. Santa Claus. Back to the G. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. Okay, move to the C. All for the little ones. D. Christmas joys. We just end that verse on the G chord there. So verse 1, 2, and 3 are the exact same. So once you learn verse 1, you learned 3/4 of the song. How neat is that? Let's go into the chorus. We start out with that C chord. Ho, 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 G. Who wouldn't go? D chord. Ho, 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 G. Who wouldn't go up on the housetop? C chord. Click, click, click. You could just do that, just if you want to do that rhythm, just together, together, together. Back to the G. Down through the chimney with D chord. Old Saint, sorry, good, Nick. All right. So I'm going to play it beginning to end. This one is pretty simple. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help, and play just the right hand only if the left hand coming together is too complex for you. You could do it. Have a lot of fun. Here we go.
Up on the housetop, a reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. First comes the stocking of little Nell. Oh, dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries, one that'll open and shut her eyes. Ho, 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 who would go? Ho, 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 who would go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Next comes the stocking of little Will. Oh, just see what a glorious fill. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks, also a ball and a whip that cracks. Ho, 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 who would go? Ho, 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 who would go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Ho, 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 who would go? Ho, 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 who would go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.